students? Hope you all are fine. Now, till yesterday we have done that how you can measure your height, how are we growing. I told you about conversion also, right? Here is some activity which I have given you in the holiday homework, children. You have to do this in your copy, right? What you have to do in your copy, you will paste your family's photograph and few questions I have written. You have to answer them. That is like, if the first question, who has the loudest voice, right? So you have to write the particular person, like whether it is your father. You don't have to write the name of that person, just you have to tell the who is he in relation to. That is like your father, your mother, someone, right? So, but those members name which you are mentioning over here should be in the photograph. Okay children, now a baby in a family, everyone must be knowing about it. When a small baby comes in the family, there are many changes occurring. Secondly, if you are the elder brother or sister to that baby, you become more concerned to them, right? Why? Because they are very small, they don't understand things. They can't, like आपको अगर भूख लगती है या आपको चोट लगती है, if आपको पेन है, तो you can explain it, you can say it, but those babies can't. So they need more care and more attention as compared to other people in the family. Have you seen a little baby or an infant in the family or in your neighborhood? Babies are fun to watch. Yes, they are fun to watch because the activities they do, like if they will be smiling, so you will automatically smile to them, right? How they crawl means how they move on the ground only, because they are not able to walk, they are very small, right? And different noise that they make from their mouth. So it is a very fun to look after the babies. You will observe that babies cry a lot. Why it is so? Yes, it is true children, babies cry a lot. Why they are crying children? Because see, as I told you just a minute before that, you are grown up, you know how to speak, you know when it pains you have to tell, yeah, when you are feeling hungry then you have to tell, you know to speak, right? But babies, they don't know how to speak, so how they will take attention or attract attention from the other people? Only by crying. It is because babies cannot talk, walk or do their work to themselves. They depend on others for all their needs. They express themselves by crying. It is the only way by which they can communicate with others. Babies cry when they are hungry, wet, uneasy or sleepy. Parents and mostly mothers have natural ability to understand what the baby wants. When the baby's needs are fulfilled, it feels happy and stops crying. And sometimes it falls asleep also. Now, our likes and dislikes. Our likes and dislikes. Children, likes and dislikes means like there are many things which if we come for food. So like you and your sister, you must be liking something else, your sister must be liking something else, like, or your mother must be liking something else and you must be liking something else, right? So it is not correct or it is not true कि what you like others will also like it, yeah, what others are liking you will also like it. So that comes under likes and dislikes. We get information about our surroundings through our sense organs. They are also responsible for our likes and dislikes, right? Sense organs children, like your nose, your mouth, your eyes, your ears, your skin, everything. The sense organ also helps in dislikes and likes also. Like if we talk about your nose and your mouth, right? If your mother is cooking the favorite food you eat, so your nose will be and your mind will be like, what a sound will be coming from your mouth is like, what a smell it is, right? You will love it, the smell, you will love it because it is your favorite thing, you like that thing, right? Similarly, when you are going out on the road and you see the dirtiness on the road, and you know the dirtiness, it stinks a lot. Stinks means bad smell comes out. So would you like that smell? No, not at all, right? Similarly, when it comes to food, when you eat sweet dish, or so you will be very happy while eating, but when the food is not tasty, so you will make different faces and you will not like it, right? For example, Rahul's mother likes vegetarian food and tea, whereas his father likes non-vegetarian dishes and coffee. Rahul likes to hear loud rock music, but his sister likes to hear soft classical songs. Rahul likes to eat pizza and burgers, whereas her sister loves to eat fruits and salad. Right? See, there are very small variations between your likes and dislikes. Because what food you are liking, your parents, your cousin, your sister, your brother must not be liking it. Right? If we come for the TV entertainment challenge, everyone is having different choice. Like your father will like to love or watch news and all. Your mother must be liking to watch movies or serials. You and your sister or your brother, there is a vast choice between the cartoon networks, right? You must be liking Shin Chan and all. Your sister must be liking Barbie dolls or some girlies, you can say cartoon networks, right? So there is a difference. If we come for playing, boys mostly like cricket, girls like dolls and simple homely games. So there is a difference, is you can say, in the likes and dislikes of everyone, right? How are dislikes and likes different? Or you can say why it is happening. So why our dislikes and likes are different? All of us have different likes and dislikes because we all differ from each other. Yes, because we have our own feelings, we have our own emotions. So everyone is different on some or the other ways. Certain things that we might be disliked by others, as I have already told you. From childhood, the people living with us influence our behavior and habits. Like there must be children in the house with whose nature, or you can say the way the person talks or the way the person is dressing up, you love a lot, right? So, and you want that when I grow up, I want to become like that person, right? This is, as we grow older, our thought and feelings change, and this is not also true कि what we are thinking in the childhood will remain the same. Sometimes when we are growing up, our likes and dislikes changes. Like when you must be young, like right now you all are very young, so there are variety of fruits that you must be not liking. But children, when you will grow up and you will taste some different food, so hopefully you can like that food also. So that is why how our feelings and emotions and likes and dislikes changes as we grow up. The following factors affect our choices of life. This following factors, children, we will be doing tomorrow, right?